Toledo couple tells us they're living a nightmare after a contractor ripped off the siding of their home and months later still hasn't replaced it.
And they say they've paid that contractor more than $30,000 and are desperate to get their home fixed. Now they're asking the I-Team for help.
Our Sophie Bates is on the case and on your side.
I never wanted to get caught up in a contractor horror story, and here we are right smack in the middle of one.
Todd and Jill Nidec say they've been waiting 18 months for home repairs.
It took damage after the Point Place tornado, and we have been working with a contractor. We've paid him over $30,000 so far, and we don't have any materials and barely any work done.
That contractor is Rodney Vaughn of Signature Roofing and Remodeling.
Rodney, make it right, man. I just want our house fixed.
They say they hired Vaughn to put on a new roof, siding, windows, and build a front entryway.
Mid-November was the last time they were here, and they promised us that it would be done before Christmas.
They say Vaughn rarely returns their phone calls. Despite multiple attempts to reach him, he didn't return mine either. Hi, Rodney. This is Sophie Bates calling again from 13 ABC.
We've been the most understanding people you could probably ever deal with, and it's been 18 months, and people get a house built from the ground up in 6.
The couple says they can't afford to pay someone else another $30 grand to fix the mess. So for now, they're hoping and waiting.
We've tried to be so patient and so understanding, but we're to the point where we feel like we're being taken advantage of.
I'll be following up to hopefully get this couple some results. In the meantime, if there's a problem you need solved, you can reach out to me at the email below. Reporting for the I-Team, Sophie Bates, 13 Action News.
A Point Place couple is starting a new chapter in their new home. We told you about the Nidecs earlier this year after they were scammed by their contractor who promised to finish their house.
It sat there for months, but this is a positive update after another contracting crew stepped in to help this deserving pair. Here's 13 Action News anchor Claire Mitchell with this follow-up.
Just nice and welcoming, and just add a touch of class and beauty to the home.
Todd and Jill Nidec are sharing the latest additions to their Point Place home.
The whole entryway, the pedestals are new.
It's a long time coming for this show and tell. This is what their home looked like earlier this year. 4 months, the roof, the siding, the windows and entryway sat unfinished. They hired a contractor after the Point Place tornado to make repairs, but after spending more than $30,000 and little work to show for it, the Nidecs concluded they were scammed.
Just something that you wouldn't want to wish on anybody.
We were like immediately like, hey, how can we help?
Integrity Home Exteriors saw our story with the Nidecs and jumped in, finishing a job that another team started.
Yeah, we didn't make any money on the project.
Okay.
Zero. We did it for just what insurance had left.
We were blown away. Tears, lots of tears. We didn't really even have words to express how we felt.
They've been amazing. Integrity, it's in the name. They're great.
Crews got to work, and after a few months, put the finishing touches on the home last week. Now, this fireman and teacher are walking into a fresh start, hand in hand, under their new entryway, through their new door, made possible by Integrity Home Exteriors.
It's a part of our core values. Serving others is really important to us. We're just happy that they can have a home again.
It's a chapter closed, and I think another chapter opening. An absolute dream.
I'm feeling grateful, blessed, and so excited and happy to see it like this now.
Their excitement was beaming and couldn't help but do a little jump for what's to come. Reporting in Point Place, I'm Claire Mitchell, 13 Action News.